Geno always, whether it is in individual brand ambassadors, whether it is in cricket, whether it is now in football, we always try to go down at a very young stage. And that is why we have been associated with the first division league. Because this is where ultimately we can, as a group, we can try along with GFA, we can try to get talents in those remote villages and see that a lot of good footballers over the years can be groomed and given to Goan football. It is definitely a matter of pride for us to be in association with GFA, and it will always be our endeavour to be in partnership with GFA.
Expect better things to come from Goa Football Association, from us, and we are very happy that three of our unit, main company, Geno Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Dessers More and Estilo, together we have decided to sponsor this tournament. I only wish that all the captains and the coaches who are present here today, they will use this opportunity to the maximum extent possible. Now, when we see this Indian league, this ISL, we find that we don't find many grown players today, and we feel sorry when you talk about the players of Vasu Raiturkar and this likes. I do not know any of you has seen Vasu Raiturkar, I doubt. But those were the caliber the players that we had once upon a time, and it is possible for each one of you to become those type of players once again